Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best metal case with dual cold shoe mount for DJI Osmo Action 4 and 3 camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see this metal case is meant for the Action 3, but don't worry, it will support the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera as well, since the form factor is almost the same. So I will be showing you after a few minutes. So once you purchase this metal case from the telecine, what you get inside the box. So inside the box you will get only the metal case, nothing much about it. So this case is completely made of aluminum metal. It's completely metal. So you can see here, in order to open the mount, so you can see you have to insert the DJI Osmo Action 3 or Action 4 just by sliding here. So let me show you. So here I have a DJI Osmo Action 4. So if you have a DJI Osmo Action 3 also, this metal case will gonna fit. So let me insert it. So you need to insert this way. It's like this. Now just close this. So you can see all the cutout ports. So you can see here. So you can just open all the ports and access all the ports. So you can see the charging ports. You can see the on and off switch button. And when you can see here, a cold shoe mount available here, as well as on the top also. And even you can see the microphone is not blocked. Even it has a cutout hole for the microphone, even for the record button. And on this side you have a magnetic mount as well as 1x4 or the quarter female screw thread mount. And at the bottom you can directly mount the DJI magnetic clip directly from here, as well as you can mount vertically also, as well as you can use the 1x4 or quarter female thread. So if you have a tripod with the 1x4 male thread, then you can just mount it this way also. You can just mount it just like this. You can mount it vertically also. Or if you want to mount it with a DJI inbuilt magnetic clip, then you can mount it also here as well as on this side. So having a two cold shoe mount is very useful in order to connect our various accessories, like say this is a mini LED light. So you can just mount the different accessories. So if you want to mount the mini LED light, you can mount it. So on the above there is no stop hook, as you can see here. So if you don't tighten the screw, then it will slide down. But if you mount here, there is a stop hook. If you mount here, then you don't fall down, since there is a stop hook, as you can see at the bottom. But on the above you don't have a stop hook, so you can see here it will directly slide. So kindly note this. So you need to tighten the screw in order to make it tight when you mount it on the upper side. So having two cold shoe mounts on the respective metal case along with the 1x4 or the quarter female screw thread mount is very handy, and the case is completely made of metal, so it will give you more protections to your DJI Osmo Action 4 and Action 3 camera. So in my opinion, considering its price, I'll definitely recommend it, and I myself been using it since for a few days, and I'm completely happy with this metal case from the telecine. So I'll be leaving this product purchase link in the video description, so you can click there and can check it out about this product link. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.